Hey guys, back again. Thought I'd try to get one more of these REDEYE locks that I've been sitting around for a while. Try and see if I could get some more luck here. I've got this GTV Euro cylinder that he sent me along with that Wilka that I picked last night. I thought, well, seems like the new pick did help, so see if we can get another one before I leave on vacation. Let's get it clamped up here. This is another one of the ones that I've attempted I don't know how many times before I finally gave up on it. So I'm hoping that it'll go like last night and the new pick will get me in. So let's go with the same pick that I used. This is Peterson's number 4 hook, 15 thousandths. And let's see if this one will fit. Yep, that one will work. I don't have a key for this one, but hopefully I won't need it. Like I said, I've attempted this lock I don't know how many times. I think I got a false set out of it once, but never been able to get it open. There's a little click out of 4. And I think I just dropped it. There's a click out of 5. Let's go back to 4. Yep, there's 4. I think I got a click out of 1. Maybe. Maybe not. Well, got a false set. I think that's as far as I've ever made it. Like I said, I think I only got it false set once. There was another little turn, and I think I'm getting some feedback off number 2. Maybe not. Let's check these other ones first. Getting a little counter rotation. Hopefully I don't drop everything in the process. If I can get under it just right. Come on. Oh shit. It's open. Wasn't expecting that. Well, 2-3 months later, finally get to take this thing apart and see what the hell's inside it. Looks like I'm on a roll the last couple days. Maybe that's all I needed was some new picks. Well, let me zoom out and keep everything in frame. Let's get a pin and tray. Some tweezers. See if that one will fit. I believe that will work. That's the follower that Foxy made me. Let's see. See if we can get this thing off here. Don't have a key, so I don't want to lock it up. There we go. Alright. Let's turn it. Oh, you know what? I think I might need a shim. And I have no clue where my shims are. Sorry guys, wasn't really expecting to get an open. Oh man. No clue where my shims are. Oh wait, there they are. Right in front of me. Alright, let's see here. Oop, about screwed that up. Alright. Oh, we made it. Now, let's see what we have here. Oh. One looks standard. 2 is standard. 3 is standard. 4 is standard. And 5. Looks like it's got a little serration on it. It does, right there in the center. Huh, that's different. I haven't seen one like that before. And that's the only one. All the others are just standard. Now let's see what we've got up top. One is standard. Let me turn this follower without screwing up that spring. We'll just take the springs out with them. How about that? 2 is a spool. Three is standard. Four standard. Looks like all the springs are the same too. And 5 is a spool. And Doesn't seem like the spring wants to come out, unless it popped out of there and oh yeah, there it is. Alright, nothing's been changed on this lock. So, let's get a little closer view of these pins. Alright. 1 is standard, 2 standard, 3 standard, 4 standard. 5's just got that little serration right there in the middle, center of the pin. And then up top, 1 is standard, 2 is a spool, 3 standard, 4 standard, and 5 is a spool. All springs are uniform, same. So, that's what we have in this GTV Euro that REDEYE sent me a couple months back. So, thanks for watching, guys. Everybody, keep it legal, keep it fun, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.